Hello, my wonderful English learners. Welcome back to another delightful episode of Learning English with Atena. Thanksgiving is a time when we gather with loved ones, indulge in scrumptious feasts, and express gratitude for the blessings in our lives. But did you know that Thanksgiving also brings forth a unique set of idioms? Today we'll uncover the meanings behind these Thanksgiving idioms and learn how to use them in context. So let's dig in. Let's start with the first idiom on our Thanksgiving platter. Be stuffed. This expression refers to the feeling of being very full after eating a lot of food. For example, when someone says, I can't eat dessert, I'm stuffed. In other words, I can't eat dessert. I feel very full after eating a lot of food. Now let's move on to the next idiom. Cold turkey. This phrase is used when someone immediately, not gradually, and completely stops doing a habit. For example, he stopped smoking cold turkey. In other words, he stopped smoking immediately, not gradually and completely. Another delightful idiom we have on our Thanksgiving platter is talk turkey. This expression is used to describe a conversation that is honest, direct, and to the point. So, if someone suggests, let's talk turkey about your marks at school, they mean it's time for an open and straightforward discussion about your academic performance. Now, let's not forget to count your blessings. This idiom reminds us to express gratitude for the good things in our lives, whether it is a lovely home, healthy children, or the presence of loved ones. Counting our blessings helps us appreciate what truly matters during Thanksgiving and beyond. Next up, we have Gobble Up. This phrase means to eat something quickly and eagerly. For instance, we gobbled up all of the cake in one evening. Speaking of gobbling, have you ever heard of Gobble-till-you-wobble? This amusing idiom describes the act of eating until you are so full that you can barely move. For example, there are so many delicious dishes on our Thanksgiving table. Gobble till you wobble. Now let's move on to an idiom that describes something very easy as pie. So if someone says, don't worry, the test is as easy as pie, you will do great. In other words, don't worry, the test is very easy and you will do great. Lastly, we have the idiom gravy train. This phrase refers to a situation where you make a lot of money without doing a lot of work for it. For example, she's been on the gravy train since getting a job at her parents' company. In other words, she's been in a situation where she makes a lot of money without doing a lot of work for it since getting a job at her parents' company. Now that we've explored these delightful Thanksgiving idioms together, it's your turn. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an exciting language lesson. Bye!